everyone. It is a day in Scotland, and as you can see, very blue skies today. And I'm wearing a freaking dress because it's a mini heat wave here in Scotland. I'm out of bed. I'm going out to Glasgow. My friends, we were planning to go to the beach here, but because the weather's so nice, it's like 25 degrees maybe, which is really hot for here. Everyone is going to the beach. The trains are packed, the buses are packed, so we can't get down. So now me and a friend are going up. I'm gonna go meet them and go to the park instead. And we were planning to have a picnic as well. So I also have a bag of food and so on. I'm gonna get a train. There were so many people at the second last stop.
Right, so you're quite we're better to do this,
Like,
yeah?
it was crazy. But I haven't really had breakfast. I had one breakfast biscuit.
No,
And it's like
the
lunchtime,
initial,
so I don't know how I'm surviving.
the initial one we went.
Look at all those people. Oh my god. I am, oh my god, my hair's a mile spot. I have, I am walking to Glasgow Green, which is the park we're going to. My bag on my shoulder because, oh man, I'm so weak. I've met up with Michelle. Say hi. And it's absolutely roasting. There's people here and I'm vlogging in public. Oh my god.
We're with each other, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's fine. It's better when I'm not alone. But yeah, I'm absolutely sweating at me. Here comes the Scottish accent.
We've got this to walk as well, so
We're
really gonna be
yeah. Once we get there, I'm just gonna lie there and just lie there until we leave.
Blank on the grass.
Yeah, I've also only ate one breakfast biscuit, so I don't know how I'm surviving here, trekking all the way up to Glasgow on one breakfast biscuit and surviving the heat as well. Also, I can't wait to shower tonight. That's what I'm wanting right now. Scottish dreams. There they are, chilling nicely in the shade whilst I am sweating my balls here. Hi!
Hi vlog!
Are you having a good time sitting under the shade whilst I'm sweating? Here's the spread. Strawberries, cocktail sausages, sausage rolls, blueberries, cherries, and a platter of wraps. We also have a yum yum. Oh, and some snacks.
Wait, oh yeah, cookies! Wow, that cookie
Wow.
is like hot.
Is it?
Wow.
Does
Wow.
it become melty?
Wow.
I don't think
Time to apply sunscreen and my tripod is slowly going down.
that was so
First step, remove my glasses. Second step, blot your face from the oils because I've been sweating. Lovely oil.
Oh,
Wait, what's the
Oh, fine.
what's the
I can't. Oh, is it a 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 19 Jack Queen.
What do we have? No.
I took a heavy tablet this morning.
No, I don't think we can. No, we can't do anything. Ooh. Hello? This is my first time putting sunscreen over my makeup. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Not.
You can play. It's okay. You'll do it.
Leah, let me help you.
No.
What's the card?
It's a pair 5. Very low.
Yes.
I'm getting it.
Uh,
I'm getting it now.
I'm forcing you to play. That's how you learn. I literally can't see what I'm doing, but hey ho.
Is it
Gonna put you guys down. Most of the gang have went to McDonald's to get ice cream, McFlurries, and it's just me, Michelle and Bonnie. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there dancing. I hope I don't get copyrighted. I'll just keep talking, but I am just laying on the floor because it's so warm. Yeah, Seagull is on a hunt for food.
Actually, can I feed it? Can I feed it?
Feed it the ones that the fly just went on. I mean, they went on all of them, to be honest.
But buddy, am I okay for
But I feel like, what if it comes back for more?
Oh, they're definitely sent back on it.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Chuck it.
Wait, what you did?
Wait, what? Oh. He's like, where do I look? He didn't see it.
You'll find that.
Ah. He looks so confused. He's like patrolling the area.
Have you got like an umbrella?
Go on a walk.
Oh.
Go on a walk. It's behind a tree, so I don't think he'll know unless he walks over there.
Looking at me.
Go. Yes. Oh. Turn around. Go. Eat it. Are you playing?
well
Okay, there we
done.
go. Hey. You're eating a wrap that a fly has been on.
It doesn't care.
Yeah. That's it. Oh. Aye, is that tasty?
Everybody.
Is that tasty? Yeah.
Oh,
Oh no, he's calling out all the seagulls. Oh no. Oh dear.
it's fine. He's gonna finish it all.
Oh, one bite. Wow. I can't see, but hi.
I'm writing a song.
I've got strawberries.
This is the last one.
No, I can't
How
tell.
many
It's too
songs
bright.
are left? I'm losing count.
Hello, duckies.
My old friend.
My heart's been on fire.
Oh, Cassandra.
Oh my god! Wait, my sausage rolls! Yeah, you're in big trouble, mate. You stole my sausage rolls when we were off guard. No way. That seagull. Hey, you naughty boy. Seagull is back in action. He's taking the freaking plastic bag. I hope that bag covers you, mate.
Do they not want?
What is he eating?
I guess a leftover hamburger. But it's raw, obviously.
Wow. Hope you don't get food poisoning. The squad is back and I have my melted Malteser ice cream McFlurry. My ice cream is now soup, so I've poured it into ice cream cone and my cone is now my cup. A couple of hours later, yes I am still vlogging. We're playing some very brainy games and my brain is fine. And it's like 5ish. They are fights. I'm tired now. Okay, we're gonna... Michelle and William went off to toilet, so we're gonna hide from them, but somewhere close by so that we can keep an eye on our belongings. Oh my god, wait. I'm just gonna hide behind a
I'm so scared.
hedge. Okay, should we just like hide here?
Yeah, we're scanning, we're fine.
Okay.
We're
Hiding.
hiding. Shh, we're hiding, guys.
Where are they going? Where's everyone else hiding? Everyone's over there. Can you see them? Michelle in the orange skirt. Yeah. They found us. We are now at Basel Bar eating. I got a Tiger Teriyaki chicken.
I have more coming.
Yeah, more food is coming, obviously. It's a random transition to the next clip, but basically I forgot to end the vlog and I just not woken up, but I just got up from trying to sleep to say that I forgot to film this clip. I'm going out to Glasgow tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna film because it's not as eventful as today. But if I do, I'll answer the clip now. Hey, it's the next day, and here's the clips from today. And I vlog today. I'll vlog a bit. Not dinner, lunch with some friends, and then I think I might be going to IKEA to get some stuff. Currently in Glasgow already, and I've got some time before lunch So I'm gonna go to Primark, get some stuff and then head down. My eyes are swollen today because I kind of laughed too much last night. Also, it's not as... I'm just gonna road. It's not as sunny, I think. It's a bit more cloudy today, but I'm wearing a strappy top and some shorts. In Primark, getting the reduced goods. Yes. I am now at the restaurant and I'm just waiting for my friends to come. Having Japanese food. Not sure what to eat in this street. But that ice cream looks good. Camera eats first. Met our friends, Georgia and Chloe. Food. We got bubble tea because it's really hot outside. Thank you, Georgia, for the free bubble tea. Because she walks here. I won't go to move. Welcome to the van segment of the vlog. You are placed behind the gear stick. Don't worry, we're parked. We're not gonna drive away. But I'm back with my parents, said goodbye to my friends, and I'm about to show you my Primark haul. Got some goodies today in Primark. First I got vintage mom jeans, high-waisted. I'll just show you part of it. The leg, tight at the waist, like fitted in the waist, and then baggy on the thighs, and then back to like a slim for the ends. I'm not sure how I feel about them, but they were £15 and were reduced to £4. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy them, let it sit in my brain, think about it, and then if I really don't like them, I'll just return it because I am gonna pick up my disposable camera pictures on Sunday, and if I really don't like it, I can return it then at my local Primark. And then I also got a pair of leggings, just basics. The only reason I went to Primark was to get leggings, and I got leggings just so that I can wear them for work, so it's comfy and I don't have to wear jeans or whatnot, because you know, I don't have to dress up too much for work. And then I got another reduced item. There's so many reduced items. I got this cute brown long sleeve cardigan top thing like this, and it has like a high collar, but I don't think I will tie it that high. Button it that high. Just leave like the top button unbuttoned. Scandalous. So yeah, this was £4 half price. So yes, I got that. And was that all? Yes, it was. That is the end of my haul, guys. Ooh, let's celebrate by drinking bubble tea. I don't know why we're celebrating. I do. That's pretty good. Well, I missed the Canadian bubble teas. Someone bring me back to Canada, please. Please. Oh no, even right now, it's like, the car says it was 34 degrees Celsius, and I was like, oh, surely not. Surely, Scotland, 34 degrees. I mean, even London is like 30 to 40 degrees. I didn't think Glasgow would be this hot. Like, very hot. Yeah. So, I think after my parents buy stock for the shop, I'm gonna go to IKEA. Woo! I'm gonna buy a trolley thing that I've been wanting to put my skincare in, because I need some storage solutions because I just have too much skincare, and that seemed like the best option. And then I think I might get some like wood or something, white wood, so my dad can build me a monitorizer thing, because buying one that's already made is like even like £20 odd, £25 ish, when you can just buy some pieces of wood and maybe some legs, make it yourself DIY. But that depends on if my dad can do that, or if he even has the time to do that. So we'll see. If not, I don't know. But yeah, that's it for the van chats. This is the van. middle seat. We have now made it to Costco. Oh, the body pillow. So sad. Taking a picture of the good deals. Oh my god, there's a freaking squishmallow here. It's Hello Kitty. No way. Oh my god. It's £30. Oh. Oh. It's raining or sunny anymore. We are now at the here. Oh, the weather's not nice now. Cloudy and just stopped raining. With the goods back home, and I've got to have a quick body shower because obviously sweat. But I don't want to wash my hair up because I only had a shower yesterday. But what I got from IKEA, I bought a little trolley to put my skincare in. It's gonna replace that. And then I bought a monitor stand, which I may or may not use depending on if I find a nicer one or cheaper one online. So yeah, now I'm just gonna change into comfy clothes and just wait for dinner. I'm a little hungry, so I'm having this Chinese Swiss roll sponge cake as a snack before dinner. Tonight's dinner, spaghetti with steak. Dessert time, chocolate magnum. Now you have officially made it to the end of this 2-day vlog. Woo! It's been very hot 2 days, and tomorrow won't be as hot, but it will still be warm, but probably 18 to 20 degrees, I think. But anyway, as long as it's not in the 30s, I'm good. But yeah, had an eventful past 2 days. And I don't know, maybe I got tanned even more. Can you tell? Well, yeah. I don't know when the next time I'll vlog, but when I do vlog it, I will see you then. I hope you like it. Comment and subscribe. Bye.